how to market on LinkedIn. So my name is Tyler Wagner. I'm the founder of AuthorsUnite.com. And what I want to talk to you about in this video is how to market on LinkedIn. So everybody is talking about Facebook ads. And now Facebook ads do work. They've worked well for my business. They've worked well for many people's business. I'm sure you've seen all the case studies out there. But usually, and this is a Mark Twain quote, and I'm probably going to mess it up exactly how it goes, but basically it's like, wherever there is a majority, you shall go the other way, right? And it's definitely not that exactly, but you get the point, and look it up if you want the exact quote. But basically what he's saying is, if everybody's doing one thing, you should probably reflect, and actually I think that is the quote, it's time to reflect. When you're on the side of the majority, it's time to reflect. I think that's what the quote is. And that's what I'm trying to talk about here, is that LinkedIn is where business is done and nobody's leveraging it as much as they could. And it's unbelievable the opportunity that LinkedIn has. And everybody's so focused on Facebook ads because of all the success stories that they've heard. And again, Facebook ads work, they're great. But what I want you to think about now is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a place for business. So if you want to find customers for your business, people are only on LinkedIn for business reasons, to connect with other professionals for business purposes. So if you want to find those types of people, don't you think you'd probably want to go on LinkedIn? So LinkedIn, right? You can connect with people. It's very easy to message people and connect with and actually just build relationships. So that's really the first and the biggest tip about LinkedIn, is that, and I'm sure some of you on LinkedIn have gotten all these spammy messages, right? All these like mass messages. You don't want to do that. What you want to do is actually build genuine, deep connections with people on LinkedIn. And then down the road, there's a high chance that if they want what you offer as a business owner, that you guys will do business together, right? Because why not? Like, why would you not do business with your friends? It just doesn't make any sense. So that's why I want you to start thinking about that. Right now, you can spend money on Facebook ads, or it's pretty much free. I mean, I have Sales Navigator. It's like, I think it's like $1,000 for the year or something. But you can get on LinkedIn and start connecting with people. You can build partnerships with people. You can build relationships with people. You can start to comment on your potential customers' posts and just build that relationship with them on LinkedIn. And it's pretty much nearly free to do. Okay, so all of you out there that are doing Facebook ads, great. But I want you to step back and reflect and think, oh, maybe I could be more active on LinkedIn, and maybe there's actually more opportunity on there than I thought. Okay, so get on LinkedIn and find me too, because I want to connect with you on LinkedIn. I'll talk to you soon.